Hi everyone and welcome to our final Phase 3 phonics session. After today we have looked at all of the sounds in Phase 3. So after today, if you would like, you might want to move on to Mr. Cook's phonics videos to learn some more sounds. But if you want to have a bit more time, you might want to look back over these videos and remind yourself of all the sounds that we've been learning. You have done a fantastic job, and today, as I've said, we're looking at our final trigraph of Phase 3. Before we do that, let's have a quick recap of some sounds from the previous week. Let's have a look. So before we look at our new sound today, let's revisit some of the sounds that we've looked at in the previous week. On the left-hand side, you can see that all of the words contain a trigraph. Can you remember what the trigraph is? The A, the I and the R come together to make air. And on the right-hand side, there's another trigraph. Do you recognise that one? It's an E, an A and an R, and when they come together, they make the sound ear. I'd like you to spend a few moments now reading through both of these lists of words and seeing how many of them you are able to read. If it helps you, you might want to write them on a piece of paper and put on your sound buttons. The words are hair, fair, pear, stairs, chair, repair, airport. And on the right-hand column, here, near, tears, clear, beard, dear, and finally, spear. So today we're looking at a trigraph, and it's got the letter U, the letter R, and the letter E. And when they come together, they make the sound yaw. Can you say that with me? Yaw. And one more time, yaw. Let's have a go at writing the yaw sound in the air. So we're going to use our cursive handwriting. So the first letter is the U. So we're going to go up, down, hook. And then we're going to write the letter R. So we're going to start on the line and we're going to go up, all the way down, up again and flick. And the final letter is the letter E. So we're going to start on the line and we're going to go around and hook. So the U, the R and the E come together to make the sound yaw. Let's have a look at this word together. Once you know it, shout it at the screen. Yaw, yaw, pure, pure. My water is pure. Now I'd like you to have a go at reading the next few words by yourself. Now all of these words have the yaw trigraph in them. Have a go at sounding it out, and then we'll come together and we'll have a go. Okay, let's sound it out together. K, yaw, cure, cure. They have found a cure. So if you're poorly, they've found a cure. They've usually found a medicine or an injection that makes you feel better. And the next word? Okay, let's sound this one out together. It's a tricky one, this one. Yaw, sure. Sure, of course I will help you. I am sure. And the next word? Brilliant. Let's sound it out. Cured. Cured. I'm cured, which means I'm all better. Cured. And the next word? Brilliant. Let's sound it out together. Assure. Assure. I assure you that is correct. If you're assuring somebody, you're normally making them feel a bit better. And the next word? Brilliant. I think you've got it there. Let's sound it out. Secure. 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 Secure, which means usually it's very safe. And the next word? Okay, let's see if we can read it together. Manure. 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 Do you know what manure is? It's animal poo. And the next word? Brilliant. These are quite tricky, these ones, aren't they? Insure. 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 And the next one? Brilliant. Let's sound it out. Mature. 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 When you're grown up and very sensible, mature. And now it's time for us to have a go at reading some sentences which have the your trigraph in them. I've also tried to put some words in there which are from our common exception list, and I've also tried to include words with the digraphs and trigraphs we've looked at before. Have a go first and then we'll come together. Brilliant. Let's try together. Is my house, it's one of our common words, is my house looking, is my house looking secure? Is my house looking secure? It's a question, and secure means safe. Is my house looking safe? The next one, another question. Great, let's read it together. Did the farmer pick up the manure? Did the farmer pick up the manure? Which means, did the farmer pick up the animal poo? I hope so. And the final one. Brilliant, let's read it together. Can you assure Can you assure me it will happen? Question mark. Can you assure me it will happen? And well done! That's the end of our Phase 3 phonics. You have been fantastic. So over the last few months, we have learned all the sounds that there are in Phase 3. And if you really want to carry on doing your phonics, which would be fantastic, you might want to move on to Mr. Cook's videos to look at your next sounds. But before you do that, don't forget to recap all the words that we've looked at today, practicing reading them over and over again until you're really confident. You then might want to write out your own sentences containing words with the your. All that's left to say is a big well done, have a fantastic summer, and I'll see you all hopefully in September. Bye for now.